We're proud to introduce our 79 series shock. This shock is intended to be used in sanctioned bodies rules packages that say you have to run a sealed shock. What they're considered to be sealed is something that has to be pressed together like in a gas shock version. So this shock here, you actually have to have a very, very special tool that actually presses this shock together and loads everything all as one unit. So it's not user rebuildable whatsoever. It's actually not even, you can't even change gas pressure in it without completely taking the shock apart with this large press that we have to use. The shock itself is based off of our 74 series, 84 series shocks. So it's a regular monotube shock. We can do whatever valvings, we can do custom valvings, we can do basically any of our 46 millimeter pistons in this, so we can do a linear-linear, linear-digressive, double-digressive. All those different things are options with this shock, but for how it meets the sanction body rules, this is truly a non-take apart shock because it's not user rebuildable. Simple piece, meets the rules. So if you've got a need for a non-take apart shock rule, but you want to have something custom, this is definitely an option for you.